Well, it was another rough day for Americans' wallets, with a lot of red on Wall Street today. That sell-off coming in part because of new concerns about rising interest rates and inflation, which is being blamed on a tight labor market, COVID, Russia's war in Ukraine, and too much government spending. There's your numbers now live. ABC News business reporter Alexis Christoforous joining me now to help us break it all down. So just explain today's sell-off, Alexis, if you don't mind, where the U.S. economy stands at this moment.
Well, certainly, take a look at that big board there at the New York Stock Exchange, an ugly way to start the week on Wall Street. It all goes back to what we learned on Friday, Kira. We had a disastrous inflation report. We saw that inflation is moving in the wrong direction. Instead of prices falling last month, they rose to a fresh 40-year high, up 8.6%. Not only is the Dow off more than 2% right now, the S&P 500, which a lot of folks use as sort of a benchmark for their investments, now in a bear market, meaning that that index has fallen 20% from its recent high. And the reasoning there is investors are betting the Federal Reserve will have to get more aggressive with interest rate hikes as it tries to rein in inflation.
So how concerned are you about a recession?
Well, you know, it's still very much a possibility, and the Fed is continuing to walk that tightrope. They need to raise interest rates enough to slow demand, just enough to not tip us into recession, but enough to start to bring those inflation numbers lower. And the Fed is already warning that that could mean the unemployment rate will start to climb in the weeks and months ahead.
So if you look at grocery prices, they're up nearly 12% from a year ago. Largest spike, eggs, meat, bread, since 1979. And then you've got gas prices nationwide, now on average more than $5 a gallon. Is it true inflation will get worse before it gets better? I mean, that's what we always say, right?
Right. Well, economists do believe that that is the case. Sadly, some are now calling for gas at $6 a gallon nationwide by August. Rent is now up 26%, groceries up 12%. Overall, Kira, Americans spending on average $341 more per month on groceries and other items they were spending on just last year. So it looks as though inflation is not trending in the right direction, and we could indeed get an interest rate hike of 0.75%, possibly even 1% this Wednesday when the Fed holds its policy setting meeting.
Alexis, thanks so much. I always appreciate your gut check and keeping us honest. Thanks, Alexis.
Thanks.
Hi, everyone. George Stephanopoulos here. Thanks for checking out the ABC News YouTube channel. If you'd like to get more videos, show highlights, and watch live event coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to download the ABC News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.